In today's video, I'm going to show you how to test an order on Shopify to make sure your checkout process is working correctly before customers start placing real orders. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Orders, then select Drafts. Next, click Create Order to create a test order. Browse your products and add any item you'd like to test. After adding a product, select a customer or create a test customer profile. You can also add a discount if you want to test how discounts work during checkout. Once everything is set up, click Collect Payment and choose Mark as Paid. This lets you simulate a completed order without processing a real payment. Review the order details, then click Create Order to finalize the test. That's it. You've successfully created a test order and verified that your Shopify order process is working properly. Thanks for watching.